Are you tired of inaccurate measurements ruining your recipes, meal prep, or baking results? A reliable digital kitchen scale can make all the difference, helping you achieve perfect precision every time. In today's video, we've rounded up the top 5 best digital kitchen scales of 2026 based on accuracy, durability, ease of use, and overall value. Whether you're a home baker, fitness enthusiast, coffee lover, or professional chef, there's a scale on this list that fits your needs and budget. From ultra-precise food scales to high-capacity models designed for serious meal prep, we'll break down the features, pros, and cons of each option so you can choose the perfect one for your kitchen. Be sure to watch until the end to discover which digital kitchen scale earned the #1 spot this year. And if you'd like to check current prices or learn more about any of the products featured in this video, you'll find all the product links in the description below. Let's get started. 5 Bakefee BK803. Upgrade your kitchen with this high-precision digital food scale, designed to make cooking, baking, and meal preparation easier than ever. Built with a durable stainless steel and tempered glass surface, it offers long-lasting performance, reliable weighing accuracy, and effortless cleaning for everyday use. With precise measurements from 3G to 15 kilograms, 0.1 ounce to 30 pounds, and support for 5 measurement units, G, kg, FLOS, ml, it's perfect for recipes, portion control, and meal prep. The large 9x 6.3-inch weighing platform easily accommodates mixing bowls, baking trays, and food containers without blocking the clear display. Enjoy the convenience of dual power options with a rechargeable USB lithium battery or 2 AAA batteries, while practical features such as one-touch tare, unit conversion, 2-minute auto shutoff, and a built-in hanging hook provide a seamless user experience. Watch our YouTube demonstration video to see the scale's accuracy, functionality, and ease of use in real kitchen scenarios. 4 Back KTCL FR Elec Measpoon 17H-82. Take your cooking and baking to the next level with this high-precision digital kitchen scale designed for both professional chefs and home cooks. With an impressive weighing capacity of up to 22.04 pounds, 10 kilograms, and precise 1 gram's 0.1 ounce graduations, it delivers accurate measurements for everything from small spices to large meal preparations. Each scale is rigorously tested with calibrated 5 gram, 10 grams, 100 grams, and 500 grams weights to ensure consistent accuracy every time. Easily switch between 6 measurement units, key G, L-pan, fel, tot, ots, and ml, with the touch of a button, while the clear LCD display provides instant, easy-to-read results. The convenient tare function allows you to subtract the weight of bowls or containers for precise ingredient measurements, and the auto manual shutoff feature helps extend battery life. Built with durable tempered glass and a sleek stainless steel surface, this scale resists stains, fingerprints, and food residue for effortless cleaning and long-lasting performance. Whether you're meal prepping, baking, tracking nutrition, or managing portions in a bakery, deli, restaurant, or home kitchen, this reliable food scale is the perfect tool for achieving consistent results. Note: a blue protective film is applied to the silver surface during shipping. Simply peel it off before first use for the best appearance. Of 3, Nicewell MQD C018. Take the guesswork out of cooking, baking, meal prep, and shipping with this high-precision digital kitchen scale. Equipped with 4 advanced load sensors, it delivers fast and accurate measurements in 1 gram 0.1 ounce increments, supporting weights from 3 grams up to 10 kg at 22 pounds. The spacious 9-inch by 6.3-inch platform and large LCD display make it easy to read measurements in G, kilogram, pound, fel.oz, and ml for maximum versatility. Designed with a durable tempered glass base and fingerprint-resistant stainless steel surface, this scale combines modern style with easy cleaning and long-lasting performance. The convenient tare function allows you to instantly subtract container weight for precise ingredient measurements, while the built-in storage hook helps save space in your kitchen. Powered by 2 included AAA batteries and backed by responsive customer support, this digital food scale is the perfect tool for healthier cooking, baking accuracy, portion control, weight management, and everyday household use. 2. OXO Food Scale Redesign. Take the guesswork out of cooking and baking with the OXO Digital Kitchen Scale. Designed with a sleek stainless steel surface that resists smudges and fingerprints, this scale keeps your kitchen looking clean while delivering precise measurements every time. The convenient 0, tare, function allows you to add ingredients directly into the same bowl without extra calculations, while the large digital display ensures numbers are easy to read at a glance. A removable weighing platform makes cleanup quick and effortless, and the innovative pull-out display prevents large bowls or plates from blocking your view. Easily switch between ounces, pounds, grams, and kilograms with the touch of a button for maximum versatility. Watch the accompanying YouTube video to see the scale in action and discover how it can simplify meal prep, baking, and portion control. Backed by the OXO Better Guarantee, you can buy with confidence, knowing that if you experience any issue, OXO will work with you to provide a repair or replacement and make things right. One eTech City EK6015 make cooking, baking, meal prep, and portion control easier with this compact digital kitchen scale. Designed for accuracy and convenience, it measures up to 11 pounds, 5 kilograms with precise 1G increments and supports 5 measurement units: oz, pound, evlos, G, and ml. The built-in tare function allows you to subtract container weight instantly for hassle-free weighing, while the included 2 AAA batteries let you start using it right out of the box. Its sleek, space-saving design fits perfectly in any kitchen and stores easily in drawers or cabinets. Crafted with durable 304 food-grade stainless steel, the surface is simple to clean with a quick wipe. The large backlit LCD display ensures clear and easy reading, making this scale a reliable and user-friendly addition to any home kitchen. Watch the video to see its precision, functionality, and ease of use in action. And that wraps up our list of the top 5 best digital kitchen scales of 2026. We hope this guide helped you find the perfect scale for baking, meal prep, calorie tracking, or everyday cooking. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest product reviews and buying guides. All product links are available in the description below, so be sure to check them out for the latest prices and deals. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.